Okay, day 10. Running a little bit earlier in the morning because the day's time frame is a little different. Sunny, probably 50 some degrees, so perfect running weather. May go a little bit farther today. We'll see how I feel when I get halfway. We'll see what the Apple Watch says in my distance, but day 10 has started. Let's see how we do. Okay, coming up at the halfway point. I'm gonna keep going. I feel good. I may regret this on the way back, but I'm not pushing it. Steady pace, probably 9 minutes up, I think, but I'm gonna go past the entrance to Spanish Bay. It's absolutely perfect running weather. It reminds me of Huntington Lake. Smell the trees, sun's out, a little cool. Anyways, let's see how this goes. All right, reached the halfway point in Spanish Bay. If I go right, that'll lead me down to the beach, Moss Beach or Spanish Bay Beach. I'm heading back. I don't know how far I've gone. Pretty sure it's over 4 miles. Lungs are good. I can feel it in my legs. They're gonna struggle, but I'm going with an easy pace. I'm not gonna push it. Today is mileage over speed. So we'll see how far we go at the end. I feel good, but I can feel it in the legs. I ran farther than I was expecting. Hey Rocket, let's see. I did. Oops, sorry. 46.39 minutes, 46 minutes, 39 seconds, 4.97 miles, almost 5 miles, 9:22 pace, average heart rate, 145. Dang. I thought maybe I'd go 4.5 at the most. I almost did 5. I feel good. Legs felt good. Lungs felt good. I didn't push it the whole time. I just stayed steady. That's a sign of progress. That's great. So it's been 10 days. I've gone from barely 2 miles and hucking up a lung to now doing almost 5 and feeling good. So if you haven't, sign up for the half marathon. You can walk it, you can run it, you can run walk. I tell you, you feel good doing this. I kind of dread it before. I kind of look forward to it, kind of dread it. But after, I feel great. It's like a cold plunge, but I'm not doing a cold plunge. My running is my cold plunge. Anyways, day 10 is done. Day 11 tomorrow, Saturday, day of rest. All right, man, peace out, have a great day.